was the name of that film? Akshay Kumar film. They have like a child.
Hey Baby.
Hi baby.
You are so smooth.
You're Sindhi.
Yes.
And so am I.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. So then
There you go.
parents are also happy.
Parents are. But then when you are emotionally unavailable and you are healed from another person, and then you are emotionally available to someone, but they are not available.
No, I'm available. As much as I want to say like whatever, but what I actually want to say is I can fix him.
दुनिया हो तुम मेरी दुनिया. क्या लड़की पोइट है यार.
When someone's like, oh, do you do drugs? And I'm like, yes, only duro duro, whatever is inside it.
It's just love. मैसेज थोड़ा लेट आया तो लगता है कि अरे अभी मैं भी लेट करूंगा. मुझसे नहीं होता वो. There are 40% people who don't turn to music after a heartbreak. They never loved.
I agree.
Because when you're in love, music sounds like,
Yeah.
है ना? But great, good choice, good answer.
Good choice, I agree. The choice is
Will be like my type. New
our
show,
type.
my type,
Our type.
our type.
This show is going to end so soon. I think he has got like these really deep eyes and crazy dimples, and I don't want to get lost in them, but let's see.
अलग है, काफी अलग है. I'm curious.
Hi Parish.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm very good. How are you?
No, you're stunning. You're not very good, you're stunning. Very good is an understatement.
How do I counter that? There is no way to counter that. How will I ever say not my type? Why are you doing
don't
this
have
to me?
to say not my type.
That's what.
So let's hope that I finally find my type today.
फिर क्या इस शो का क्या होगा फिर?
तो अपना कोई
अगला
और show
एपिसोड
बना लेंगे.
कैसे आएगा?
Then I'll accompany you on your tour.
Love Note Store then.
Yeah.
We'll spread love together.
Yes.
Yeah, it's not my type. We'll be like my type.
My type.
New
Our
show, my type.
Our type.
Our type.
Yeah.
That's a great name actually.
है ना? I am sold. Let's do it like right now.
Have you ever thought about this, or you just made this up?
I made it up. अभी आपको देख
Art.
के.
I've never heard somebody saying this is our type. You know, that just shows how much sync the couple would be in. That they like the same things, or even if they don't, but they're like, this is our type. This is not our type.
Yeah.
That'll be really cool.
Let's do that.
Let's do that.
Plus you're Sindhi
Yes.
and so am I.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So then
There you go.
parents are also happy.
Parents are after my life right now. But
Same.
yeah.
Yeah, which is why then they'll be like, oh, you found someone, but then he's Sindhi also amazing.
Wow.
Dhado socho, then they'll say.
Parents, I think, have this obligation to get their kids married
Yeah.
as soon as they can, which is nice because they also get to look forward to something. But it doesn't end there because the moment you get married, they're like, "Beta, ab to."
Next. Firstly, it's like हमारे रहते रहते हम तुम्हें शादी
शादी,
करते।
हाँ.
हमारे रहते रहते हम
रहते-
भी तो थोड़ा
अब हमारे रहते रहते इसका एक भाई बहन भी होना चाहिए, फिर उनकी शादी भी होनी चाहिए.
it never ends.
Never ends. But they're just following course of nature, I guess.
Yeah. What's your favorite dessert?
What's my favorite dessert? Gajar ka halwa.
Oh,
Yeah, I love it. I love it like so much.
mine keeps changing. Like right now it's something else, but when I go home it'll be tiramisu because I'll miss you.
Ooh, tiramisu. That was so bad.
It was not bad, but if you say so, it's fine. I'll do better. I'll level up.
But very sticky.
Thank you.
I will use it
No.
somewhere because it's our type.
Yes. Yeah. Don't. Are you like, you know how, especially representation of musicians
Yeah.
in Bollywood is mostly like they have to be either dil toota ashik or they have to be emotionally unavailable. Which one are you?
You can be both.
As much as I want to say like whatever, but what I actually want to say is I can fix him. So you're both emotionally unavailable and dil toota.
Yeah, at the same time, because your heart was broken by somebody, and they still occupy a certain chunk of your mind and heart, you are emotionally unavailable to other people. So it's interconnected.
So you're emotionally unavailable right now.
But then, when you're emotionally unavailable, and you are healed from another person, and then you are emotionally available to someone, but they are not available.
No, I'm available.
ठीक है.
Don't put this on me. men.
नहीं 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 वो टॉपिक पे नहीं जाएंगे हम नहीं भेदभाव क्रिएट करेंगे, मेन वर्सेस वुमेन वाला नहीं करेंगे। संसार में सबको सब चाहिए।
True.
हाँ जी।
So if men want love only, then why do they get so scared?
I can't speak on behalf of all men.
Okay.
Thank you for that opportunity though.
I love that. I'll use that now. I'll detach myself from the pressure of.
यार 7 करोड़ लोग हैं ना दुनिया में। कितने 7 बिलियन लोग हैं। 7 करोड़ नहीं, सब अलग हैं यार, सब अलग हैं। मुझे नहीं
मैं तो
लगता।
बैठी हूँ पर पूरी दुनिया के सामने।
बैठे हो ना
आपके सामने।
Yeah.
आप हो ना मेरी पूरी
दुनिया हो तुम मेरी पूरी
Yes.
दुनिया। क्या लड़की पोइट है यार, लड़की शायर निकली है तो।
वो आंखों में आपकी देख के आ गया, क्या करूँ मैं? I thought
शायर ऑन फायर।
I really thought I would be a writer when I.
So you can still write.
No, it's good. It's ended. It's really.
As long as you can read it, you should write. मेरा तो प्रॉब्लम ये था कि मुझे राइटिंग समझ में ही नहीं आती थी मेरी। फिर मैंने टाइप करना शुरू किया।
Oh. Okay. I also wanted to check if your mom was a lawyer. Is she?
I'm waiting for the next part already.
No,
Tell
but
me.
is she asking you? No?
No.
Because I could see her becoming my mother-in-law.
Woo! हम वीडियो कॉल करते हैं इस इंटरव्यू के
Done.
बाद।
कर ही लेते हैं फिर। हाँ, auntie will also be happy then.
बड़ी खुश हो जाएगी मेरी माँ।
Yeah.
My mom will be like, yeah, but no, she does ask me these questions. But now she understands. She
Yeah.
understands कि ठीक है, काम है, he's happy, working, traveling.
And now then she'll be happier कि यार चलो कोई
Yeah,
ध्यान
yeah.
भी रख रहा है.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
Yeah.
एक साथ सारे तीर के निशाने हो गए।
I'm very sure you're busy and double down on that because acting and singing and thirdly looking this good also all the time.
Thank you for seeing it that way. I think beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. You see beauty. Thank you for that.
But then how? मेरे को फिर आपने time नहीं दिया तो?
टाइम लिमिटेड नहीं है मुझे लगता है संसार में। यू नो ये जो कॉन्स्ट्रक्ट हमने बनाया 24 घंटे का, मुझे लगता है ये घड़ी बेचने वाली कंपनियों का एक साजिश है।
Okay.
टाइम लिमिटेड नहीं है। देयर इज अनलिमिटेड टाइम। टाइम इज नॉट लीनियर। इफ यू read about it and if you see a Christopher Nolan film also, time is very non-linear. You know, I have no idea what I'm talking about.
Yeah. I was like, this will make sense at some point, I'm sure.
I'm like, how do I conclude this now that I've started this?
Yeah.
But,
so you will never say कि I'm busy and I don't have time. Because
I think
it's a-
जब like to be very honest, जिसके लिए आपको वक्त निकालना होता है ना,
Yeah.
वो आप निकाल ही लेते हो।
I agree.
जो आपके लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है उसकी कॉल्स आप उठाते हो। जो और आपके पास 500 व्हाट्सएप टेक्स्ट हों और उसमें से एक इंसान जो आपका फेवरेट है जिसकी टेक्स्ट इम्पोर्टेंट है, you will see that and you will respond to that. So if somebody says I'm busy, that's why I'm not responding. They are busy for you. They're not busy in general. That
Yeah.
means you're not in their priority list, and whoever I'm with, I want to be, you know, in that priority list, and same the other way also.
But I don't know, I want to ask you something that you might not have the answer to, or you might just not reveal it to me. But what did you put in Duro Duro? Because clearly there is something
Yeah.
inside it which I just want to. I want to know what's inside because when someone's like, oh, do you do drugs? And I'm like, yes, only Duro Duro, whatever is
Yeah.
inside it.
Then I've got more supply for you.
Because I can't get it out
That's
of my
such
head.
a beautiful way of putting it, actually. Thank you. That's the
Welcome.
best compliment I've got. Nothing. It's just love. It's just love. वही है, और कुछ नहीं है. I think love is the highest form of drug you can consume. वही है, क्या ही और कोई नशा फिर दुनिया का नशा छोटा लगता है उसके सामने.
True. I have these things that I keep saving on Instagram. Then I read it, and then I'm like, I read it in a book. But I read it in a book that I don't know what it was, but it was something around the lines of हम उनकी आँखों में देखते रह गए, ना जाने वो आईना कैसे देखती होंगी. Something like that.
Ooh.
It was too.
Oh ho 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 ho. I get the thought. It's beautiful.
Yeah.
हाँ यार, I think we should be romantic. We should be romantic and express love freely and not be rational about it. Like आजकल थोड़ा वैसा हो गया है कि सब rational होते जा रहे हैं हर चीज़ के बारे में, बहुत logical होते जा रहे हैं कि it's like a puzzle everybody is trying to solve with practicality, whether this fits my lifestyle, whether this fits my this thing, that thing. ऐसे तो नहीं होता प्यार, मुझे ऐसे नहीं हुआ है कभी, and I really don't want to plan and really think that I have a type or I don't know, when it hits you, it hits you. You allow it. That's the only thing we can do. We can just allow it or not allow it. और थोड़ा भी दिमाग लगाया दोनों में से किसी ने तो फिर वो नहीं होता. बट आजकल वैसे होता है कि मैसेज थोड़ा लेट आया तो लगता है कि अरे अभी मैं भी लेट करूँगा and all of that. So मुझसे नहीं होता वो. Really, it's like all in or nothing types.
Like bring inconveniencing yourself back. Like we are so accustomed to being like, oh, but it's not convenient for me, and I'm glad that people
exactly,
are being vocal about it. But also, if I've not slept and if you weren't here yesterday and I haven't slept all day, but then you're coming and I really want to inconvenience myself and come to you, and it would be a gesture. But people just
just showing up, showing up for your person, and but सब किसी का अपना अपना है, I'm sure.
So like, do you have like a soft launch plan?
I thought this was a hard launch already,
It is, but you have not told me if हम इसको बंद करके R type कर रहे हैं.
R type, I'm all in for that.
Done.
Let's do R type.
Done. To check our compatibility and where we are at, and if we
Sunshine
our thoughts
ना
align. No, not at all. We have this fun thing called guesstimate, where we'll be asked a few questions and we'll have to like guess a closer estimate to whatever's asked. Let's see where we are at there.
Okay. Guesstimate. Let's go with a guesstimate.
What percentage of people turn to music as emotional coping after a breakup?
Then?
Just show the...
Ooh. I mean.
Okay, the answer is 60%, so she wins.
There are real answers to this.
It's a fact.
There are 40% people who don't turn to music after a heartbreak. They never loved.
I agree.
They never loved enough, I'm telling you.
Now they will.
Because when you're in love, music sounds like...
Yeah.
You know? But great. Good choice. Good answer.
Good choice, I agree. My choice is fantastic. Yeah.
What percentage of people say shared music taste strengthens their relationship?
Now my answers are going to be very realistic.
How many people okay.
It's 70%.
Oh my god.
No way.
Yeah!
But is it right? Is it true though?
Shared music?
Yeah.
I think it somewhat matters. I mean, but even if it's not, doesn't make much of a difference, to be honest. Because your partner could like hip hop music and you like soft ballads and still could work.
Yeah.
It just helps because then if you like the same artist, you can go for the same kind of concerts, you can plan like a trip around the world. But even if you don't, you can do festivals where both artists are playing,
Love is a collaborative.
Love
effort.
is... love के आगे शनि क्यों बनाया आपने एकदम?
It's like whoever the love of my life is, my life revolves around them.
Beautiful.
I just came up with that.
Now,
Yeah. Next one.
What percentage of people delete all photos and memories right after a breakup?
very few.
Yeah, very few. I am okay. I don't
फोटोज
think.
वीडियोस को ब्रेकअप के बाद देख के जो खुद को टॉर्चर करने का मजा है ना भाई जीवन में, इतना मजा आता है उसमें.
Oh my God!
The answer is 40%. So.
Both are right. Both are right. Yes.
We are.
There we go.
quite
Our type.
compatible.
Our type.
Our type of questions. Let's go.
What percentage of people still feel attached to their ex after 5 years?
अरे भाई 5 years के बाद भी अगर आप अटैच्ड हैं
Then you're stupid.
तो फिर तकलीफ है आपको.
Yes, go to a doctor. Love guru.
Yeah, 5 years is a long time. 5 years is like, you will not do justice to anybody else,
Yeah.
Next person you meet, you'll not be fair to them.
But
5 years should be like a complete reset. 5 years you should be friends also.
yeah, no.
No,
Some people just close.
close.
The answer is 30%.
Oh, I
You
win.
win, very close, nice.
What percentage of people think dating today is harder than ever?
If my answer is not correct, then I would just like to meet the people who don't think that.
I'm the other type. Really? No, not at all.
The answer is 90%.
Oh, guys, please, क्या हो गया है सबको?
It is very hard though.
It's not hard. It's not hard. I'll tell you what the problem is. This is an illusion of choice. That's what's happening right now. Everybody assumes they have lots of options, choices. So when they get a good match, when they get nicer people around them, they think, oh, I can still do better. You know, let me go to the next one. Oh, I can still do better. It's coming from there. Like now you want to order food, you have 10,000 options.
Yeah.
It's not the first restaurant you find or the first thing you find to eat, you'll eat. You'll be like, even if you want to watch something on a streaming platform for 40 minutes, you'll be just scrolling what to watch, and then not watch anything. That's what's happening with dating. But just decide and commit. Simple. Having said that, I haven't found anyone.
I'm literally right here.
Until this interview, I
Yes.
hadn't.
Thank you.
But if it has to happen, they'll walk into your room, literally.
Exactly. You know, everyone who's like, oh, you don't go out on dates, but how are you supposed to find the love of your life? Are they just going to walk
Yeah.
down the aisle directly or just walk down your hotel room? They will.
Believe in destiny, believe in love, and come for Love Notes concert.
Done. That is where you will meet the right people. So you should.
Or you will actually,
Yeah.
you'll meet a lot of people who believe in love, who believe in optimism and hope.
What percentage of people stalk their ex on social media after a breakup?
People who don't, I just want to like have that self-control.
Yeah, I know one friend who has that self-control. So just because of that, I have,
It's 75%.
So you win.
yes.
Wow.
Thank you for saving me. I don't want to name my friend, but yeah, he was the one.
I have like 20 fake accounts. Just for masti.
That's a lot of accounts.
You know, but it's not like to stalk exes.
Yeah.
It's like, oh, मेरी बहन के classmate की बड़ी बहन की शादी हो गई तो I just want to see. It's that.
हाँ, but उनको पता नहीं चलना चाहिए कि
Yes.
मैं देख रही हूँ कि उनकी शादी में मुझे इंटरेस्ट है.
Yes.
नहीं तो मुझे क्यों नहीं बुलाया?
Yeah. And अगर कोई मेरी स्टोरी देख लेता है अपने रियल अकाउंट से, I'm just like,
Why?
create a Finsta, bro. Are you not embarrassed of yourself? Why are you doing that?
यार ये ऐसा नहीं करना होता है क्या? मैं तो करता हूँ. Oh shit.
People judge. So
Really?
hard. Yeah.
मैं तो अपने हाँ नहीं करना चाहिए. हाँ ठीक है.
Okay. Next.
What percentage of people associate songs with their past relationship?
A lot, I'm assuming,
I
but
mean-
they shouldn't.
अगर वैसा नहीं हुआ तो फिर मतलब ही क्या है? मुझे लगता है म्यूजिक एंड लव आर वेरी वेरी.
Okay, the answer is 60%.
क्या हो रहा है दुनिया में दोस्तों?
Yeah, but I also feel like when you do that, it is very important to associate songs with your partner. However, if it does not, you know,
Work out.
if it's not even like a mutual thing and वो बहुत खराब हो जाता है, then they ruin songs for you. And I'm so tired of people ruining songs for me. Like सुनूंगी मैं गाना.
But see, the beauty of that is that when you associate something with a song, you personalize it, you make it
Yeah.
your own. The feeling also intensifies. You know, you enjoy it a lot more because you're like, ये तो हम दोनों के लिए लिखा गया है.
Yeah.
ये तो भाई ये हमारा गाना है. And then later on, even if the relationship, let's say, doesn't work out, you at least felt something deeper
Yeah.
with a song, which is nice, no?
It is nice, but then don't मतलब फिर
No, it will
याद
not be
आती
ruined.
रहेगी ना गाना सुन के, मुझे नहीं सुनना है तुमको.
वो तो
और
है.
स्पेशली अगर तुम गंदे आदमी हो तो फिर तो बिल्कुल नहीं वो करना है. तो why am I thinking of your own? तो it's just
है तो सही थोड़ा. डिलेमा तो है यहाँ पे.
कोई नहीं.
But
आप
can be
न्यू
worked
गाना
upon.
लिख लेना.
हाँ
मेरे
मैं
लिए.
तब लिखूंगा ना. तब तक नया गाना बना दूंगा. कोई नहीं. मैं हर महीने एक गाना निकालूंगा कि पिछला वाला किसी और के लिए था तो अगला वाला तुरंत आ जाएगा फिर. नहीं.
एक ही गाने लिखने हैं आपको मेरे लिए, और अगर ज्यादा लिखने तो मेरे लिए लिखने. ये रोज अलग गाने.
मेन तुम्हारे लिए वर्जन्स बनाएंगे उसके फिर हम.
ठीक है, डन.
ठीक है.
चलो, I can work with that. Last question.
What percentage of people get into a rebound within 3 months?
Oh, tricky, huh?
A lot, I'm assuming.
Really?
Because, I mean, I just think a lot of people do because they think it'll work. Like that will work for them, but I don't think it does.
If you're talking about a relationship and love per se, then I think the percentage will be much lesser. But
The answer is 25%.
Oh, I love that. You win.
90s kids, very proud of you.
You win.
Thank you. अरे क्या ही मिलेगा?
क्या?
मैं जीतूं या तुम जीतो?
मैं तो जीत गई.
जीते हम.
True.
Our type.
Our type. This show is going to end so soon now that you put this idea in my head.
Our type is a great idea.
Yeah?
Yeah. Imagine a couple interviewing another couple.
Double date podcast.
Our type.
I love that.
Or a couple interviewing solos also. That's also fine. There are many ideas. We can do so much.
But I know that you are a SRK Paglu.
हाँ जी
And
बिल्कुल.
so am I. Like insanity
Yeah,
level.
yeah, same.
But what is it about him that you feel like you...
Connect with him.
Yeah.
I think he represents something that all of us covet, which is a dream, which is possibility, which is romance. All three things. Like if you think of SRK, you think of romance. You think of a big, like dreaming big and making it happen. And when you're in the creative profession, you want to believe that. You want to believe that you can come out of nowhere and suddenly, you can become the king of something, or you can be good at something. That possibility, dream, and romance, yeah. I adore the guy. I mean, he's amazing.
You know, like this childlike innocence of assuming that everything will work out for me because it just has to and there is no other way.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
Yeah.
That's beautiful, and I really believe in that. It does work out that way for everybody, for all of us. It eventually works out. If you think, like even the things that didn't work out in our favor, eventually do, in some or the other way. Like I didn't have a plan to go to Bombay ever. It just so happened that out of the 4 colleges that I had applied for my post graduation, उसमें से मुझे सिर्फ एक कॉलेज में एडमिशन मिला जो कि बॉम्बे में था, and after that everything was just a butterfly effect of me getting a job somewhere, getting my first acting project, getting music and all of that. So I think universe has a plan for everybody.
Yeah, because if that wouldn't have happened, then we wouldn't have met.
We wouldn't have met. Imagine.
Yeah. You believe in all sab likha hua hai?
I believe a lot of it is likha hua, but there is a reasonable amount of free will also that we have. If you have the correct intentions and if you find the right people to do it, I think I really believe you can't do anything alone. You need people. You need people, and you need good people around you. You need your tribe. It's very important.
Yeah.
And when you find that, life becomes much better. You start finding meaning in things.
I think I need to rewatch all of this because every time I really try and focus on what you're saying, you do that thing of smiling and then you have these great dimples that I just... it happens. Everything is like...
Yeah. I genuinely admire and appreciate how expressive you are. Like आजकल लोग ना, सब नहीं, मतलब आजकल वो थोड़ा एक hesitation होती है compliment देने में भी किसी को, but you do it so freely. It's a beautiful quality.
Thank you.
Yeah.
आपको देख के और फील आ जाता है वैसे भी. मैं कितना ही कंट्रोल करूँ अब.
नहीं, आपको देख के भी आता है.
Thank you. But what was the name of that film? The Akshay Kumar film. They have like a child.
Hey baby.
Hi baby.
You are so smooth. Tell me this is not rehearsed. This is so good.
Thank you.
This is so good.
You said that one was bad, so I had to
No, this was
level up.
This one, like पूरे साल का best है.
Yeah, but thank you. I just feel like you've changed one thing for me for sure, which is there can be musicians who are not emotionally unavailable.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You might not be available for me, but I know you are available and you believe in the idea, which I think is a good reassurance.
Yeah, I actually have a song about it which we are performing tomorrow. It's called Kitni Dafa, and this song is exactly about that. It's about being emotionally available after a long time that you've kept your doors shut. It says, मैंने रखी थी जहाँ दीवारें, दरवाजे खोल गया कोई. Yeah, it is possible. And don't believe in the idea that dating is difficult these days. It's not.
No, for me it's not. I clearly,
I know.
I'm sitting next to you, so
Yeah.
I'm
That
not speaking for
percentage
myself.
next time जब वो survey करेंगे, that percentage would have changed.
Yeah, let's hope so. But thank you so much for
Thank
doing
you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. We appreciate it. उसको क्या ज़रूरत है इसकी अभी?
3 things you liked about her.
Extremely clear, dreamy, and romantic. An amazing sense of style. Old soul. There are 5 things actually. Actually more, but yeah.
He's really emotionally expressive, which men are, but they tend to shy away from vocalizing it. Again, he's got these crazy eyes, and I keep going in them. So I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing for me, but I would do it again 10 on 10. And I think he's very, you know how people are just like themselves? He's just like very free to be himself, and I love that. He's just himself unapologetically, and that's beautiful.
Would you go on a second date?
Sure.
He is not my type, because if I say that he's my type, then the show will end, and I do not want to deprive all of you of the show, so I have to deprive myself of a love life for you guys. So he's not my type, unfortunately.